आपके समक्ष माँ दुर्गा की स्तुति करने जा रहा हूँ। नो मंत्रं नो यंत्रं तदपि च न जाने स्तुतिमहो नो चाह्वानं ध्यानं तदपि च न जाने स्तुति कथा न जाने मुद्रास्ते तदपि च न जाने विलपनं परं जाने मातस्त्वदनुसरणं क्लेशहरणम्। I do not know mantras, short prayers or yantras, how to pray. I do not know how to do puja or pray. I do not know how to invoke your name. I do not know how to medicate. I do not know any stutis, long prayers or kathas, long prayers. I do not know any mudras, that is signs. I do not know how to implore deep pleading. I do not know one thing, though I not that if I follow you, then within the folds of your love I will be released from all my troubles. विधेरज्ञानेन द्रविणविरहेण लसतया विधेया शक्यत्वास्तौ चरणयोर्जाच्युतिरभूत् तदेतच्छन्तव्यं जननि सकलोद्धारिणि शिवे कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति। Oh Mataji, liberator of all without discrimination, I do not know how to do puja and I am by nature lazy. I do not have the ability or capacity to do the right kind of prayer. Given all these shortcomings of mine, if there have been any mistakes in my prayers today, please overlook them, because the son can be bad. It is not in the mother's nature to be bad. पृथिव्यां पुत्रास्ते जननी बहवः सन्ति सरला परं तेषां मध्ये विरलतरलोऽहं तव सुतः मदीयोऽयं त्यागः समुचितमिदं नो तव शिवे कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति। O mother, on this earth you have many good sons and daughters. All of your children, however, I am the worst and have been the most bad. Please do not forsake me, because I have not concentrated on you. This is not reasonable, because the son can be bad. It is not the mother's nature to be bad. जगन्मातर्मातस्तव चरण सेवा न रचिता नवा दत्तं देवी द्रविणमपि भूयस्तव मया तथापि त्वं स्नेहं मयि निरूपमं यत् प्रकुरुषे कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति। O Mother of the Universe, I have never rubbed your feet, nor done any sort of service to you, nor given you wealth. Still, strangely enough, you continue to bestow your grace on an undeserving me. Because the son can be bad, it is not in the mother's nature to be bad. त्यक्ता देवा विविध विधि सेवा कुलतया मया पंचाशीतेरधिकमपनीते तु वयसि इदानीं चेन्मातस्तव यदि कृपा नापि भविता निरालंबो लंबोदर जननी कंयामि शरणम. O Prithvi Mata Ma, who has given birth to Lord Ganesha, I prayed other gods and remained busy with different kinds of work. Now I am 85-year-old and all other gods have left me because I cannot give them all my prayers. I despair. I cannot expect any help from them. If you also leave me at this time, where shall I go for support except to you? स्वपाको जलपाको भवति मधुपाकोपम गिरा निरातंको रंको विहरति चिरंकोटिकनकः तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदं जनः को जानीते जननी जपनीयं jap vidho. If anybody hears even a word of your chant, the result is this. Even the meanest man can utter the honest, honey sweet words of your chant and will become a very proficient speaker. Even the poorest man will find work and enjoy millions of pieces of gold. When even a word of you chant has this result, the ones who are doing it regularly or methodically, we cannot fathom what the result will be. What mortal can know this? चिता भस्मा लेपो गरलमसनं दिक्पटधरो जटाधारी कंठे भुजगपतिहारी पशुपति कृपाली भूतेशो भजति जगदीशैक पद्मिं भवानी त्वत्पानि ग्रहण परिपाटी फलमिदं. O goddess Bhavani, the one who rubs his body with ashes and whose food is poison, whose body is nude and who has matted hair, a necklace of cobras and a skull in his hands as an alms bowl. How does one such as he get the name Jagdish, Lord of the world? What is the reason for this? How did he get such an eminent position? It is only because of his union with you that his importance has increased. No mokshasyakanksha bhava vibhavavancha pichana me na vijnanapeksha sasimukhi sukheksha pina puna atastvang sanyache janani jananang yatumam ve mrinani rudrani shiv shiv bhavani tijapata. Oh, the mother whose countenance is like the moon, I do not have any desire for deliverance, moksha. I do not have any desire for worldly wealth. I do not have any craving for knowledge. I also do not want happiness. All I pray is that the rest of my life may pass in uttering all of your names. नाराधितासि विधिना विविधोपचारे किं रुक्ष चिंतन परैर्न कृतं वचोभि श्यामे त्वमेव यदि किंचन मय्यनाथे धत्से कृपामुचितमंग परम तवैव. O mother, I bow down to you. I could not methodically do your puja and prayers. Time and again I stumbled. My meditations were never crystal clear. It was as if a well-blocked my vision. Please help me that I may reach you. You bestow on me and the greatest grace, which is the deserving only of you. Such a merciful mother can give shelter to such an undeserving son. आपत्सुमग्नः स्मरणं त्वदीयं करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेसि नैतच्छटत्वं मम भावयेथाक्षुधात्रिसार्ता जननि स्मरन्ति. O Mother Durga, the ocean of mercy, I pray to you because all I have around me are difficulties. I did not pray to you before this. Please don't consider this prayer as proof of my wickedness. The child who is suffering from hunger and thirst only remembers his mother. जगदम्ब विचित्रमत्र किं परिपूर्णा करणास्तु चेन्मयी अपराध परंपरा परं नहि माता समुपेक्षते सुतम. O Mother of the universe, I am not surprised because of your complete grace. A son may do fault after fault, but the mother never ignores. मत्समः पातकी नास्ति पापग्नि त्वत्समानिहि एवं ज्ञात्वा महादेवी यथा योग्यं तथा कुरु. O Mahadevi, great goddess, there is no sinner like me on this earth. No one can forgive my sins, but you, knowing this, please do whatever you think is reasonable. मैं पुनः इस स्थिति को एक बार दोहराने जा रहा हूँ. नो मंत्रं नो यंत्रं तदपि च न जाने स्तुतिमहो न चाह्वानं ध्यानं तदपि च न जाने स्तुति कथा न जाने मुद्रास्ते तदपि च न जाने विलपनं परं जाने मातस्त्वदनुसरणं क्लेशहरणं विधेरज्ञ ज्ञानेन द्रविणविरहेण लसतया विधेया सख्यात्वास्तव चरणयोर्जाच्युतिरभूत् तदेतच्छन्तव्यं जननि सकलोद्धारिणि शिवे कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति पृथिव्यां पुत्रास्ते जननि वह सन्ति सरला परं तेषां मध्ये विरलतरलोहं तव सुतः मदीयोऽयं त्यागः समुचितमिदं नो तव शिवे कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति जगन्मातर्मातास्तव चरण सेवा न रचिता नवा दत्तं देवी द्रविणमपि भूयस्तव मया तथापि त्वं स्नेहं मयि निरुपमं यत् प्रकुरुषे कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भविता परित्यक्ता देवा विविध विध सेवाकुलतया मया पञ्चाशीतेरधिकमपनीते तु वयसि इदानीं चेन्मातस्तव यदि कृपा नापि भविता निरालम्बो लम्बोदरजननि कंयामि शरणं स्वपाको जलपाको भवति मधुपाकोपं गिरा निरातंको रंको बिहरति चिरं कोटिकनकः तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदं जनः को जानीते जननि जपनीयं जपविधौ चिदाभस्मालेपो गरलमस्नं दिक्पटधरौ जटाधारी कंठे भुजगपतिहारी पशुपति कृपाली भूतेषु भजति जगदीशैकपद्मिं भवानी त्वत्पाणि ग्रहण परिपाटी फलमिदं न मोक्षस्याकाङ्क्षा भवविभववाञ्छापि च न मे न विज्ञानापेक्षा शशिमुखी सुखेच्छापि न पुनः अतस्त्वं संजाते जननि जननं यातु मम वै मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव भवानीति जपत नाराधितासि विधिना विविधोपचार किं रुक्ष चिंतन परैर्न कृतं वचोभि श्यामे त्वमेव यदि किंचन मय्यनाथे धत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब परं तवैव कापत्सुमग्नः स्मरणं त्वदीयं करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेसि नैतच्छटत्वं मम भावयेथा क्षुधातृसार्ता जननि स्मरन्ति जगदम्ब विचित्रमत्र किं परिपूर्णा करुणास्ति चन्मयी अपराध परंपरा परं नहि माता समुपेक्षते सुतं मत्समः पातकी नास्ति पापग्नि त्वत्समानिः एवं ज्ञात्वा महादेवी यथा योग्यं तथा कुरु। ओम श्री दुर्गा देव्यै नमः।